And this is the news from Spy TV.
Believing your support at the primaries and vote as the flag bearer of the party will afford me the grace to hold the winning party after the general elections.
A state of assembly aspirant under the All Progressive Congress APC in Ondo State, Tayo Marcus, has disclosed his aspiration to become a lawmaker was hinged on his desire to propel development of his constituency as well as the people. The House of Assembly aspirant stated this while speaking with newsmen on Saturday in Ondo City.
As a true son of the soil who has lived over 40 years of his life among his people, and without sounding immodest too, I am sufficiently aware of the socio-economic challenges facing our people and our community. My focus, therefore, is to collaborate, synergize, and mobilize all critical stakeholders and relevant institutions, both governmental and non-governmental, towards finding lasting solutions to some of the challenges facing our people, especially youth restiveness and joblessness. A time bomb waiting to explode any time.
His focus is to collaborate, synergize and mobilize all principal stakeholders and relevant institutions, both governmental and non-governmental, towards finding lasting solution to some of the challenges facing Ondo West Constituency 1. Marcus, who is contesting to represent Ondo West Constituency 1, also emphasized on the need to find lasting solution on youth joblessness in the state.
Restiveness and joblessness, a time bomb waiting to explode anytime if nothing is done to arrest the ugly situation.
He promised not to be a redundant or absentee lawmaker. He vowed to stand to speak for his people.
I won't be a sit-down honorable. I repeat, I won't be a sit-down lawmaker. I won't be I support the motion honorable or an absentee lawmaker. At all times and in all seasons, I will stand up to speak for my people. At all times and in all seasons, I will stand up to speak for my people. I will sponsor bills that will stimulate, promote, and protect investments in critical areas of our economy. I will lobby and woo honorable colleagues to support motions that will promote entrepreneurship, youth engagement, and wealth creation. I am resolute and determined in this regard.
He, however, bemoaned the current political situation in the country, whereby personal gains have been placed above desire to move the country forward in terms of socio-economic developments.
Without any equivocation, needless distractions, or pedestrian politicking in the gap of political activism, my mission is to make Ondo West Constituency 1 a synonym of all eyes, a constituency that can compete favorably with other constituencies by making legislations that will improve the socio-economic life of our people in the next 4 years and beyond.
Comrade Tayo Marcus shared his action plans.
Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to share with you my action plans. If elected as the lawmaker representing the good people of Ondo West Constituency 1. Number one, our focus will be on entrepreneurship, youth engagement, and wealth creation through one, sports development. We also pay attention to arts and entertainment, job placement, and career development for young graduates. I will focus on safety nets and relevant social policy for the vulnerable and weaker members of the society, especially the physically challenged. We also pay attention to our orphans and abandoned kids who will not leave behind in our safety net and social policy single parents. Also hesitate to pay attention to the sexually abused and victims of domestic violence. We also focus on inclusive and participatory representation through regular town hall meetings and consultation with the traditional institutions and other critical stakeholders. If given the opportunity to represent the good people of Ondo West Constituency 1 at the State House of Assembly, we will place special premium on consultation with critical stakeholders, especially our traditional institutions. We will make conscious effort to promote peaceful coexistence through healthy community-based activities, activations, and initiatives. We are going to pay attention to security of life and property by strengthening the existing laws on community policing. If elected as the lawmaker representing the good people of Ondo West Constituency 1 at the State House of Assembly, I will sponsor or co-sponsor a bill on entrepreneurship and wealth creation funds to be domiciled in all the 18 local government areas. It is my belief that this will enable young entrepreneurs to access funds to fuel their creative abilities and ideas. I will sponsor or co-sponsor a bill that will make it mandatory for all the local government areas to have at least a recreational center, a tech hub, and industrial park to keep our young people productively engaged. I will champion the domestication of the Nigerian startup bill in Ondo State to make our state a choice destination for tech investment in Nigeria and Africa.
He observed further that grassroots development is key to state and national development, stressing he poised to facilitate entrepreneurship, youth engagement, wealth creation, infrastructural development of his constituency via quality representation if given the mandate.
If I win, I will offer selfless service to my constituency, my nativity, Ondo Kingdom, and my people, the Ekinokumus.
Olayemi Eson for Spy TV.